Hi, I'm Taz Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and training here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. And today I'm going to show you how to make a hair color protection oil. Let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so here I have my first phase here. I've got some Dermafield Sensol. Now you do want to use the majority of a light feeling ester. You don't want to leave your hair feeling greasy and very, very heavy. So I'm using Dermafield Sensol here as my very light ester. To this I'm going to be adding some caprylic triglycerides. This is medium skin feel or medium hair feel. And we're just going to pop this on heat and also start giving it a gentle stir before we add in our Rocker Smart UV filter. So we're just going to start stirring that one and heating it at the same time. Now, while that's heating, I'm going to talk you through my special ingredient here, which is the Rocker Smart UV PVB 360. Now, this is actually a disruptive UV absorber designed for use in cosmetic formulations, so it's suitable for sunscreens, but it also has some anti-aging and obviously some hair color protection efficacy as well. Now, it's a UVA protection factor of sunscreens which decays after high radiation doses, so by adding your Rocker Smart into the formula, the UVA PF can be reinforced and maintained for a longer period of time. And very small inputs are required to achieve quite a significant increment in the UVA PF in the presence of sunlight. So in our hair oil, it has some photo-adaptive technology. It's got color protection, obviously, UVA protection to the capillary fibers of the hair, and it's also going to repair and nourish it as well. So while that's heating and stirring, I'm going to go ahead and add my Rocker Smart here. Now it does need heat and continuous stirring to make sure it actually solubilizes properly and doesn't recrystallize. Now you can only use certain emollients to solubilize it, so just make sure you're following the supplier's guidelines on that one when it comes to formulating. And it's obviously heat resistant as well. Okay, so we're just going to remove that one from the heat, and then we're also going to continue to stir it for another 10 minutes or until it cools. Okay, so we're just going to continue to stir that one for about 10 minutes or until the oil has cooled, and then we're going to add some other materials into our oil. Okay, so once that has cooled, I'm going to go ahead and add some other materials. So in this biggie here, I have some babasu oil. This is from Citriol, which are native oils from the Amazon. Now this is really good for hair care products, also for skin as well, because it actually does have a drier and more velvety skin feel to it. So again, it's not going to leave the hair heavy and greasy. I'm also going to add in some aloe vera oil for some story as well. And of course, some antioxidant here to protect my formula from oxidation. So once that's all dissolved and it's looking very homogeneous, we're going to go ahead and turn our mixer off. As you can see, it's looking really nice and homogeneous, beautiful hair oil there. We're just going to cover and leave it sit overnight. We just want to make sure that the Rocker Smart hasn't recrystallized. It remains soluble, and obviously we don't want to see any other signs of instability either. Okay, and here is what our oil is looking like the next day. As you can see, that's remained nice and stable. Our active hasn't recrystallized either, which is fabulous. Nice, beautiful, glossy oil. Just going to put a little bit on my hand here. And that feels really, really nice and light and drying. Got a really nice velvety feel thanks to that plant oil. So you're going to wear this during the day. So you can put it in at night time into some clean hair and wear it throughout the day, and you're going to have that UV color protection. So it's going to help nourish and repair the hair as well. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to put together a hair color protection oil. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!